Smart Mathematician, Tuesday 24 March of 2020.
Okay, now that you learned about computer file sizes, kilobytes, continue with the Smart Mathematician's Knowledge Highway Part 1. Can I count to 1000? To read numbers with 3 digits, just start with the digit in the hundreds, then the digits in the tens, and finally the digits to ones place. Like 1, 100, 2, 200, 3, 300, and so on. But what comes after 900 and 99? The next place values is called thousands. So when you're finished to count in hundreds, we continue with talking by thousands. Now answer to question number 1. Look at the picture and answer. Look at the pictures, the 3 pictures. The first one, there are children running and moms and dads are behind. The second one, they are sitting down. And the number 3, there is a grandma and a whole family. You are going to count the 3 pictures. How many children, how many adults, and how many there are in total. Please count carefully. Exercise number 2. Look at the raffle ticket and answer. The raffle ticket is the one in color pink. They say that how many hundreds, tens, and ones does the raffle ticket have? Please write how many hundreds, tens, and one. Remember, hundreds are the first one to start the number, tens the second number, and one the last number. Number 2, what number to be called out in the raffle for that the tickets to win? So please answer. Now exercise number 3, page 119. Write the word forms of the red digits. Look at the numbers. They have 4 numbers. These 4 numbers starts with 1 in color red. That number is the number you have to write next to you. Okay, don't write the number, write the word of the number. On exercise number 4, write the word forms of the numbers. Now you are going to write the whole number in words. For example, 231 means 231. You write the number 231. Do the 3 numbers are on exercise number 4. Exercise number 5. Read and choose the correct number form. We have 3 questions and ABC answers. Read the number and circle the number in the correct form. Example, the number 1 says, the video game costs 1,590 pesos. So you're going to find the number that says 1,590 pesos. Do the old ones. Now you are finished the Smart Mathematicians Part 1. We are going to continue with wise citizens, but before to start the wise citizen, that means the next page, you have to go to the Part 3 video. So please pause this video and go to the Part 3. When you're finished the Part 3, come here and continue the video. wise citizen. Okay, now that we learn about helping others, how can we make public spaces accessible? Everyone has the right to use public streets and spaces. As a society, we need to make public streets and spaces safe and accessible for people with disabilities. Some modifications we make are pedestrian traffic signals with sound, reserved parking and accessible bathrooms, access ramps. The accessibility initiatives make life easier for people with disabilities. They also help our society be fair to and more respectful of everyone in it. Exercise number 1. What modifications can be made to make this space more accessible for the boy in the wheelchair? Circle the answers. Now look at the boy in wheelchair. Circles the ones that can be more useful for the boy in the wheelchair. Look very good at the pictures, okay? The stairs, the letter sign, the ramps, the bicycle. What of these do you think the boy is going to use if he is in a wheelchair? We have keywords for help you. Accessibility, ramps, reserve. Exercise number 2. Read and cross out the answers. We have only 2 questions, and the number 1 he says, is the airport accessible for with disabilities? So if you travel in planes, do you know if your airport in the city of Culiacan has accessibilities for people for disabilities? Number 2. Will blind people have trouble finding their way? Can you know if the airport has places to walk for people that is blind, that people can't see anything? Everything is dark for them. Please answer yes or no.